Hello everybody, Ryan Laganza from Keller Williams Edge. Today I am at Unit 512, 1127, Cooke Blvd in Aldershot. Now this place is a 3-story townhouse, but the up floor is an outdoor patio. I can't really show that to you. Let me tell you about this location though. It is perfect for any commuter. Not only are we just off of the highway, but we're also right beside the GO station. So whether you want to drive or take the GO train into Toronto, this is the location for you. Now let me tell you a little bit more about this place. It has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. It is a townhouse. It's got 1,120 square feet as well. It comes with 1 parking spot too. Now I want to mention as well about the upstairs outdoor patio. I can't wait to show it to you because I think you're going to love it as much as I do. So come on, let me show you that. Favorite thing about this property has to be this top floor outdoor balcony. It's absolutely amazing. I can't go out there today because of the snow, but I can show you footage from before the snow came, and I will. But I want you to imagine yourself sitting out there in the summertime, barbecue, having some friends over, doing some entertaining. It'd be absolutely amazing. Let me show you. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Unit 512, 1127 Cooke Blvd in Ancaster. I'm doing an open house there this Sunday, March 5th from 2 to 4 p.m. I'd like to see you there, but if you can't join me or you would like your own private tour, please give me a call or send me an email. I look forward to hearing from you.